Hey guys, Gretchen here. So today this video is going to be super short. This is for trauma recovery. These are 3 breaths that you can do in 5 minutes that will bring that anxiety level really way down or set your body so you don't go into that anxiety level, keeping those hormones that are being overproduced tamped down, and we get to go to that rest and restore and get through our day in that really great like balanced and grounded kind of place instead of, oh my gosh, that having that fear of missing out and that, all the anxiety things that come with it. So, first breath we're going to do is called Nadi Shodhana. All right, welcome back. So, this breath is Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breath. This one is recommended that you do it in the morning on an empty stomach to set your hormones for the day. If you forget it, that's okay. There are 2 more breaths coming up. So, Nadi Shodhana, and I've scooted back so you can kind of see a visualization. I'm going to hold up your hands, right? The peace fingers, these 2 fingers, put them down. See if you can get them to touch this part of your thumb. Okay, we're going to have these fingers up. We're going to begin by gently placing, don't smash your nostril, gently place the thumb at the side of your right nostril. We're going to exhale through that left nostril. And here are some rules about yogi breath. When you inhale, you don't move your body until you exhale. So you inhale and you kind of hold and you don't move. And then when you exhale, you can move. All right, so back to where we were. On this side, we're going to kind of push out that air. And now we're going to inhale a big belly breath. And we're going to start at our base chakra down here at our perineum. We're going to inhale that breath up through our side body to our crown chakra. You ready? We're going to inhale. Hold. Switch over gently and exhale. Down to that crown chakra. Hold. Now we're going to inhale back up. These are big belly breath inhales too. And we're going to exhale back down. We're going to switch that over. And we inhale up. Breathe, hold. Switch. Exhale. Breathe, hold. Inhale, hold, switch. Exhale, gentle hold. Inhale, hold, switch. Exhale. So doing this breath for several rounds, because you'll complete several rounds in the morning, 5 minutes, will really get all of those hormone centers to operate at homeostasis through the day. You'll actually find yourself able to communicate better, able to deal with, be able to people better, doodles, and you will also be able to keep that anxiety at bay, right? We won't have those hormones just like over flooding our brains, and we're like, cool, we can get through the day, so amazing. So, like I said, if you did forget, I have 2 more breaths. All right, welcome back. Welcome back, you're already here. So the second breath that we're going to talk about, you've heard me discuss this before, is block breathing. So block breathing is a 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. Each parts of this breath are 4 seconds. We're going to inhale through that nose, big belly breath. For a count of 4, your count. Hold for that same count of 4. Exhale. Same count. Hold. Inhale. Hold. 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 Block breathing. What that does is it brings us back down when we're having a moment out in public. This breath works really well when you're out in public because people don't count your breath. You're counting your breath. They're not counting your breath. So this works really well in public when you can't do like a big om or like whatever it is that you need to do to bring your anxiety down. This breath also triggers those hormone centers, mostly in the adrenal and the hippocampal area, um, or the hypothalamus area rather, that say, hey, we're not going to overproduce the cortisol. We're not going to be super stressed out. Let's chill out a little bit. And it stops that hormone from overproducing. And it sends a signal to your brain saying, hey, we're not under attack. We're going to hit a little bit of rest and restore real quick to kind of give your brain that little bit of supplement that it needs. So breathing, doing that breath, and just consciously do it for about 5 minutes and you'll feel amazing. All right. I'll be right back with the third breath. All right, the third breath. So this breath is a 4-7-8 breath. This is a breath that I actually invite you to practice on a regular basis. Doing this breath, though, for 5 minutes will make you feel spectacular. So it's similar-ish to block breathing. We're going to inhale for 4. We're going to hold for 7. And we're going to exhale for 8. Okay? Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 7. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. That one I would like to invite you to kind of try to take that on almost in a natural setting when you're out dealing with people. When we're out and we're having to deal with public, I'm going to explain this real quick. When we're out, we're having to deal with public. We, especially those of us who are neurodivergent or who are prone to anxiety or who are in recovery or who just don't like to people a lot. When you inhale and you're with these people, those hormone centers start overproducing. So you inhale more of that carbon dioxide, more of it, more of it, more of it. You may find your shoulders up. When we do those longer exhales, we're expelling more of that carbon dioxide. And by holding that breath too, we're giving our brain a moment to reset. So by expelling that carbon dioxide, we're helping that too. And the breath work itself triggers those hormone centers at the same time. So you're getting rid of the toxins that are causing you some of the anxiety, not as much as the hormones, but some of it, allowing it to hold in your chest and your upper realms too. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, you'd like to see more like this. And I do trauma recovery, I do Reiki, I do guided meditations and sound baths on here, some yoga. Please hit that subscribe button for me. And I do go live with members every single Sunday at 2, regardless of where I am. So thanks for watching, Doodles. Until next time, namaste, and please plant a tree for me and Mother Earth.